Here's our high pressure pump. It's got a couple of ports on it here. You want to make sure everything's perfectly clean. I'm going to reuse this one. Here's a new O-ring. I'm going to put that on first. There's no timing on this. So basically use a pick like this to put the O-ring on. You want to make sure you don't roll it. I'll run that around the O-ring all the way a couple of times to make sure it's not rolled. Then I'm going to use something like this Siliglide here. It's basically Vaseline. I'm going to lubricate the O-ring so it makes it easier to get in. Just a nice light film all the way around. And obviously before you put this in, you want to inspect it, make sure all the gears look like they're in good shape. Nothing obvious. Okay, we're going to go ahead and install our high pressure pump. It's only going to go in one way. Tricky here. Now you'll notice this cam gear has two different teeth on it. It's actually a split gear. There's a spring in it, and what it does is that helps quiet down the gear train. Basically, I'm going to bring this in, line it up like so. There's two bolts that hold it on that go right here. This is a lot easier off the vehicle, obviously. It goes right there and right there. Those torque to 18 foot-pounds. 18 foot-pounds is almost too small for this wrench. It goes down to 10. But the next step would be to go to an inch-pound torque wrench. And mine goes to 200, so that wouldn't work on this scenario. That pretty much puts it at the max. A little past, actually, because you go 18 times 12, right? Anyways.